Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back with another video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon so that my notification will get you fast. So if you like my videos, don't forget to comment me down. So let's start the video, and without wasting any time, so let's start the video. So you can see this first picture, you can see very beautiful picture. You can see the door and the colorful bed and all, and the colors and all, and the pillow you can see beautiful, the wall decoration, the themes and all beautiful. This one's very beautiful. You can see the blue color water vapor, white, this is there, tape is there, the blue color theme beautiful, the window is there, mirror beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the mirror window, you can see mirror you can see, and the tap you can see water tap beautiful, and the flower, yellow color flower also you can see, the lamp also you see very beautiful. This one's very beautiful. You can see the black color cup is there beautiful. The side you can see small plants and the leaves, beautiful leaves. This is also very beautiful. You can see the flower color type table. You can see the plants. You can see pink color, blue color, and the wall. The floor also very beautiful. You can see the floor is very beautiful. This is also very beautiful. You can see black color lamp and the mirror. You can see window, very beautiful green color, the plants and all leaves very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the lamps, the lights and the curtain you can see beautiful. The photo frame you see very beautiful. It is also beautiful. The table and all very beautiful. This one also a flower table, and you can see the pot you can see beautiful. The floor wood color theme floor, the wall was in white color, very beautiful, looking very beautiful, very good. This sounds very good. You can see the mirror, you can see the small side lights, you can see in the table, you can see the cupboard, you can see the side. You can keep any shoes, expensive shoes and all, you can keep very beautiful for decoration. It's also very beautiful. You can see the pink color and the pink color flower. You can see the bed, you can see the wooden bed, you can see beautiful videos. The lamp, you can see beautiful lamp and all, beautiful lamp. This is also very beautiful. You can see the purple and the red color and the white color lights. You can see beautiful. The blue color also beautiful decoration and design. It's looking very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the curtain, you can see the up, you can see lights and all beautiful lights. The TV, you can see the floor, you can see wooden theme floor, you can see beautiful decoration. TV also very beautiful. This is also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all very beautiful lights, looking very good, very nice, very beautiful. Also black and white. It's also very beautiful. You can see the blue color lights, the side and this side, the gold lights, blue color, looking very beautiful. The blue color lights, and the side also blue color, the green color, beautiful lights and all. This is also very beautiful. You can see the two lights, you can see the side, you can see the lamp and all, and this also you can see very beautiful. The side decoration is very beautiful, roof decoration very good. This also you can see the yellow color bed, and the mirror you can see, the cupboard you can see beautiful, and the lamp also very beautiful. You can see looking very beautiful, very good. This one you can see the very beautiful. You can see top tape you can see, and the mirror is electronic. You can see the fingerprint place, and the some beautiful white color plants also very beautiful, very good. This is also very beautiful. You can see the light, the black color fan and all, very good fan, very nice. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to comment with and press the bell icon so my notification will get you first. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to comment me down so that I can bring for you beautiful videos. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.